You keep telling yourself, I'll start when I'm ready, when I have the right camera, when the fear goes away. But what if I told you that moment will never come? You're not afraid to fail. You're afraid to begin.
The real battle is not outside. It's inside. And in the next few minutes, you'll see why you're frozen and how to break free. Starting now. You think your problem is talent, or time, or resources. But deep inside, it's fear. Fear of judgment. Fear of being weak. Fear of being seen imperfect. You hide behind excuses, but what you're really saying is, I'm not ready to be seen. Every great creator you admire once stood where you stand, terrified, unpolished, unseen. They told you, wait until you're confident. That's the lie. Confidence doesn't come first. Action does. You don't walk into confidence. You fight through fear. Each upload, each try, each small act of courage, you rewire your mind. You teach yourself, I can do this. There's a voice in your head saying, what if I'm embarrassed? What if no one cares? What if I fail again? That voice is fear. It's trying to keep you safe. But safety is a cage. Comfort is a killer. Don't silence that voice. Listen, understand, then act anyway. Then how to fix it? Accept the fear. Say it. I'm scared. Own it. Remove the pressure. You don't need perfection. You just need to start. Your first video won't be flawless. It's not supposed to be. Start small. A short clip. A simple message. Show up. Be consistent. Every day you show up, the fear weakens. Discipline grows. Use your story, your doubts, your struggle. They are your voice. They connect you. They make you real. They make you human. You will fail. You will stumble. You will cringe at your old work. Good. That means you're growing. Every mistake is a teacher. Every failure is data. Every setback, fuel. You are not failing. You're evolving. Picture yourself a year from now. You have progress. You have a voice. You have a story. Either you'll be proud you started or regret you waited. Don't wait. Don't delay. Press record. Share your truth. Start while you're scared. Because it's not about being ready. It's about being brave. You owe it to yourself, to your future, to your dream. Start now.